Sellers, how to avoid appraisal coming in low. Number one, make sure you highlight all the repairs that was done and upgrades to your house to the agent in order for them to pass it on to the appraiser. Number two, make sure your home is clean and tidy during the appraisal date. Number three, curb appeal is very important. Make sure the curb appeal is great, the grass is cut, and everything is tidy and perfect. Number four, have your agent do their research and offer all the comparables that match your home to the appraiser in advance before the appraisal date. Number five, do not overprice your home. Whenever we overprice a house, sometimes we get a buyer that might be interested. However, there's always problem and it could cause issues with the appraisal and delay your move and the sale of the house. Follow me for more real estate advice, Mike and Team Tchobanian.